Hello everyone, today I'll be taking a pair of soft jaws for a 6-inch vise and converting them to fit my 4-inch vise. I'll be needing these for an upcoming project that I'll be uploading next week, so I figured I'd take you along for the whole process. These 6-inch vise jaws are great, but the bolt spacing obviously doesn't match my smaller vise. Instead of buying a new pair of jaws, it's cheaper and quicker just to modify the ones I already have. And it's a good excuse to run the mill. The reason I'm measuring the jaws here is because I want to ensure that the bottom of the jaw sits up against the vise's dead jaw. So I get consistent heights every time that they go back in. Here I'm just using the standard edge finder to find the X and Y coordinates. I like using a 1-inch gauge block to find my ZH offset or height because it's just more accurate than a piece of paper, it seems, for this machine at least. Now that we've found our X, Y, and Z and told the machine exactly where our work is, we're able to cut. completed part. Looks great, finishes are good, and it looks exactly like the Fusion model. I ended up using an indicator based stand as my work stop because I actually don't have a work stop right now. So maybe that might be a video in the future of building one of those guys. Just some light deburring here, and then we're gonna machine the other side because the Vise has two sides. Now that the machining's done, I can bolt the jaws onto the vise and check for alignment. The jaws fit nice and flat, ready for the next project. Just wanted to say thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time.